Okay. Good morning, all. So, yesterday we covered about strings, right? So today we'll talk about simple concepts, mostly theory part, mostly theory part only, like simple concepts like what is meant by package, what is meant by import, and we'll try to cover access modifiers. We'll try to cover access modifiers. If it is not possible, we'll discuss again tomorrow class. Okay. So first, let me write about what is meant by package in Java. Suppose um, initially we have to create the project, right? After project followed by package name. Package name. After that, class. Inside that, we have to write the logic. Now we'll talk about today what is meant by package. Package is in Java. Okay. Okay, we'll try. What is meant by package? Nothing but in a Java, folder is nothing but package. In Java, folder system is known as simply package. So a package is a folder structure that organizes the Java classes. It is a folder structure that organizes Java classes. So a package in a Java is a collection of related classes kept together in that one folder to organize what? Project. Okay, just a minute. Let me write one more thing. Okay. Folder. In a Java, folder system known as simply package. If it is a folder structure, and what it is the main purpose? The main purpose is organize the Java classes. Organizes the Java classes, and the package in Java. Okay. The package in Java is a collection of related classes kept to organize project. Done? Just a minute. That is about package. So what is the main purpose? Means simply let me write uses to reuse the code. To use the code and to provide access control. Like public access control and default. This is the uses, and to organize anyhow code or organize the Java classes in your computer. Suppose what I told, package is nothing but a Java folder. Suppose let me go to any E drive, otherwise desktop. Okay, let me go to the drive D in our computer. In our computer, we have the D drive. Let me write. Okay, suppose D drive. In the D drive, we have the subfolders, right? The D drive, let me write something. One folder name is Java underscore notes. There, based on the topic, you again create sub projects, subfolders, nothing but methods. Again, if it is a string related, then again strings, right? Like this only you have to segregate the module based on the folder. Same thing comes, same concept in the Java also package. So package is a in a Java folder system, like how we have the folder system in our PC, nothing but computer. Same concept applicable for packages in Java, right? So what is the main purpose? What is the main purpose to maintaining like this means to reuse the code to provide the access control and to organize the Java classes. This is the key point, to organize the Java classes based on the requirement. Oh, like suppose here why suppose we have to use any drive, then we have to can notice that where we can verify our I would say, suppose if you write in package only all classes, after some course of period you can't able to find that one. That is the main thing. And in a Java folder nothing but simply you can also say package. And if you remember, in the starting class, I told one thing, that is requirement. Right? We have one requirement. In that requirement converted into what? Projects. Right? That converted into project, otherwise projects or programs. Programs is nothing but classes and interfaces. So we have not only one requirement, right? We have multiple requirements. In the multiple requirements, we need multiple programs. Then we have to create multiple classes and interfaces. All we can write in the one place. But the problem is, in the further you want to refer that same particular class, it is very difficult. That's why we have to come across the one concept called as packages. In the packages, suppose now. Let me write a syntax for the package. We know, right? Suppose package is a keyword and package name, right? Dot module name and dot submodule name. right? Suppose, what does this means? This is actually syntax. Okay. Suppose what is how to understanding this means package. Directly, let me write package as it is. Why? Because of it is a keyword. Sun Microsystem or Oracle, they provided some keywords and classes and methods. Suppose package under package only. Here package name, module name and package name dot module name dot submodule. How to write this one? Let me go to any, suppose in the real time they will work in some module like bt.com, BritishTelecom.com, something. Now, same thing, I will copy this one. This is our domain name, right? So every client, so who will provide the requirements to us? Client. Client has the requirement, right? A client has an internet domain. What is the domain name? Suppose client has one requirement, their internet domain is this one, www.bt.com. We have to access that web page, then we can see the content, whatever he is providing services, right? Then we have to just reverse this one. How to reverse? Already initial classes I told this one. Just to have, we don't give this www dot, we have to just reverse this one. Whatever internet domain available, like who are like internet domain for the client, we have to just reverse that one. So package name, let me take something com, that is package name dot module name. I am working BT module. Copy BT dot submodule. Suppose you are working in service module. Otherwise, you are working in database. Otherwise, you are working in some models. Like that only, final output is package com dot module dot submodule. You are working it so and semicolon. Okay, here. If you write semicolon, the line will ends, and moreover we will called any line end with semicolon in Java, we will call it as a statement. Okay. So this is how we have to write. This is the syntax. This is the outcome. Package name, module and submodule, and we can write one more submodule dot. Suppose you are working with service dot like OSGI. Otherwise, you can write any module, like not only OSGI, not only like something sling, anything you can write. This is how you have to write in the real time naming convention. Clear? Just reverse the client internet domain, right? This is the domain. This is the domain for the client. We have to just reverse. This is about package introduction. We have the project real time. That client, any project has client. They have the internet domain. Like like we have to just reverse this one, right? After that, now let me write this one. Okay, let me remove this one. Moreover, remove this one. Now let me create one package. SRC, right click, new. Here I have to create package. How to create package? Com dot domain dot subdomain dot one more subdomain, and we don't give here semicolon, just hit finish. ID will automatically generate after, see here ID automatically generated one package here. Then we have to create one class. Suppose let me take one class name. Suppose demo public static void main finish. Then see now, this is the demo.bt.service, okay, service wrong, spelling wrong, okay, dot core. After that, class name. Suppose if you want to create one more class with the same identity, then what have to do? Then if you again right click, if you create the different package, domain dot subdomain name is let me take service only, but this time UI dot apps. Then hit finish. Again I want to take same class. Demo and hit finish. See now, same class but in the different packages, right? That is the thing here, organizes Java classes in the package, right? We have the same classes. I need same classes. Suppose not only demo, suppose if you can take anything like just let me go to the where is Eclipse here only, right? Let me go to the not only demo, suppose customer details, okay, we can rename this one, just go to this one. Then if you rename this here, the name will modify, just rename it. See now here, okay, here details, customer details, same. In the real time also, maybe different network users, for them they want to create same classes in different packages. Then they use the concept as packages. They will create different packages but class name as same. Sometimes they will import one class to another class. Okay, that one is the next concept. Same, Control C, again in the different package, Control. Then they will, okay, here we have to again rename. Why? Because of here we created demo.java, right? In the bt.service.ui apps, same, rename this one, save this one. See now, in the com.bt, his module service, okay, I wrote the spelling wrong, service.core, in that they need some customer details. So also network SIM he is using, like what is the I would say whole month usage of data he want to track. Then he will create one package. In that he will maybe write the logic, piece of logic. Again service UI.apps, same like a customer but different logic. So what I'm trying to make a point here, if you create different packages, then we can use the same class. This is one point. Then after, one more thing, this is the main purpose, to organize the classes in package. And one more thing, okay, let me write here, otherwise customer details. In the customer details, one, let me, for your understanding, let me write one in the package core. Then after, rename as one. Now save this one. Now here, okay, here I don't write anything. Let me write system.out.println out. Let me write main method started main method started, and let me write one more thing here. Main method ended. Okay, these things I will write. Now let me write one method. Suppose let me give public, okay, access modifier will cover public, and return type nothing, void, and method name let me take data usage. Then let me write here system.out.println something 2.5 GB, and let me write one more thing in customer class 1. Okay, that's it. This is fine. This is simple I wrote, and they write, suppose I wrote for your understanding piece of life, but in the real time might be they will write number of lines, logic they will write. Suppose, just a sec. Now this is, remember this one, this is one package name, package 1 com.bt.service core. In that package I wrote one method. Clear? Now I want to use this one in the same customer details one, but different package. For that purpose we have the one more concept called as import. Import same. Same thing I will repeat again. We have client has requirement, right? Client has requirement, then we have to convert that requirement into programs. Then after programming nothing but classes and interfaces. In future I want to rewrite some code. Then what I have to do? Then instead of rewriting all code, then simply I have to use one keyword, nothing but import. So one class functionality may use in the other classes functionality. In that case we have to go with the import statement. That is the main purpose. Here. So the import purpose is, let me write one, suppose one class functionality. One class functionality may use in other class functionality. Other class, simple other class. In that case, we have to go with import. So what is meant by import? It is a one special, special, what is the? It is a reserved character. Nothing but simply keyword. Keywords all are reserved. Simple. So import. One class functionality may use another class. In that case, we have to go with the import. So what is meant by syntax for the import? Let me write for the syntax. What is the syntax for the import? Import after package name, then after dot class name. Okay, this is the syntax. Import package name and class name. Suppose let me write import. Import. What is my package name? Let me write. Yeah. Let me write here com.bt.service something string. This is my package name. Dot in the class name. Let me write something what I wrote here. Let me write it only. Tell class 1. Customer details 1. So what is the main output? Outcome is import com dot bd service dot string dot, let me write more details. So what is the outcome? So final outcome, let me write this only. I will remove the generics, caps dot and semicolon, right? Import package name dot class name. Sometimes they will use, suppose in the same package, right? Suppose they created package, this one package, and after they created class, let me write 1, open bracket, close bracket, and they wrote logic. Oh, sorry, its logic should be inside the method. Open bracket, close bracket. So this is actually class 1. Same package. See this one. Package name same, right? But here class name is different. Let me write 2. Method 1. Same repeat. Three. Method 2. Same. Same package. Let me write class name as 4. Method 3. Then you have to give a here. When you have to importing this one, import this package name dot, in the place of, if you give star, then all classes will import, right? Then whatever the classes available in this package, package, all classes we can import. Clear? By using simply star. Like simply you might be see we have some predefined classes, right? Let me write, already we saw the scanner classes, java.util.scanner, right? Semicolon. Here we are importing this one. We are importing this already predefined class, right? Okay, let me try that. Let me go to this number package services bt services com that. Okay, might be somewhere here. Static student reference, static reference, switch cases, operator, static methods. Let me go to the methods. Switch. Otherwise, let me go to the strings. Strings also I imported string. No, it's java.lang package, right? Let me expand this one. Otherwise, let me write. Let me write one. Scanner. Scanner. Let me give here system.in. Control Shift O. Then see now Java dot. So see now organize the imports. Java dot util dot scanner. I want to import this one. Just hit finish. See now I imported. I imported package name as Java dot util and scanner. Then just go to the open declaration. Okay, just a minute. Okay, it's loading. It's redirected to the predefined class. See now, 3/10 line, public class final scanner, and it's available in the java.util package, right? See now, they imported again java.io, java.math, java.nio. These are all they imported from the java.io. See now here, they wrote star. Means they imported all classes, whatever available in the java.io. Right? That is I made here point as simply package name dot. If you write the star, then we can able to access whatever the subclasses available in this package. Clear? That's it about this import. And let me write one code. See now, created one package core. Let me remove this one. In this one class, after this one main method, after that one class. So I want to demonstrate for that purpose. I wrote the scanner. I imported predefined class. So mostly in the real time, we are importing the classes already, which is created by some so developers or Sun Microsystem. Clear? In future, extends keyword also will come. Single level inheritance, all this will come. Okay. For time being, remember this one. We are importing the one functionality into our functionality for that purpose, right? One class functionality may use another class. For that purpose, I am using the import keyword. Then the main thing is, suppose this is class 1. Let me write in the comments. Class 1 in the .bt service core in this package. Class 1 in this package. Now I want to use this some particular logic. Suppose data usage, and moreover, let me write one more method for your understanding. Data usage per day, per month, okay, per day. D is uppercase. Then 2.5, not 2.5. Using let me write per day 2, 3 into 3 into 2, 60. Okay. Let me write 58 GB per month. 58 GB customer 1. This is per 1 day. Okay. Now I want to use this functionality in another class. Then what I have to do? We have to use the import keyword followed by package name dot class name. Right? If you want to use all subclasses, then you have to simply use the star. I will try to demonstrate that only here. Suppose this is, let me close this, all these things. Okay. Let me this is the util. Let me go to this one. See now, this is empty, nothing. Nothing is here. Here I want to use the one class functionality inside the another class. For that purpose, first let me create object for first class. Moreover, I have to import that one. Right? What is the main purpose of the import? Here I wrote, I want to use the one class functionality. That functionality available in so and so package. May use the another class. That only I am trying to doing now. This is the first class, class 1. I want to use in the second class. Okay, for your understanding, let me write class 2 in the so and so package. Copy so and so package. I want to use that functionality. What I have to do? I have to use the import keyword. Import package name. What is my package name? Let me write that only. COM-BT service core package name dot class name semicolon. Save this one. Imported. Now I have to create object for the class, first class. This is the class 2. This is class 2, right? Customer details. This is also customer details 1. I want to create object for the class 1. Then only I can able to access the functionality. Okay. Now let me write here in the place of data. Let me write something publish. We can take anything, right? Something, let me write publish is my reference variable. Suppose publish dot, see now, data usage method. So data usage for month, return type is void from the customer details 1 class, first class. Save this one. Again, publish dot publish dot, see now, data usage per day, return type void from the class 1. I am nothing but customer details 1. I am importing customer details 2 class. Control A, Control Shift F, annotations. Then let me try to run this code. So nothing, I didn't write nothing in my class. Okay, let me write these statements. Control C. Main method started. Okay, let me write here system.out.println method 1 start, method 1 start, method 1 end. Done. Now let me write here method 2 starts, okay. Let me write here again method 2 end. Method 2 end. Okay, string. Now what is this? Okay, Control A, Control Shift F. Okay, see now this is the class 1, 2 methods available. Data users per month, data users per day. Now I just imported package name dot class name. Then I created object for the first class. See now, if you hit control button, if you hit the open declaration, it will redirect to the class 1. Then again per month, better let me write first this one. Okay, this is fine. Per month, method 1, method 2. Okay, fine. Let me save. Here I didn't write any piece of logic. Right? Right click, run as Java application, and select all, run the code, just hit OK. So, okay, see now, main method started. It's printed 7th line, then after it will go to the 9th line, it will create the memory. Whenever you created the memory, then whenever you calling in the heap memory, it has the memory allocation. After that, see now 10th line. We are calling with the reference variable. With the reference variable, we have to call the non-static method, right? Public data usage is the non-static method. Why? We know. We don't have the static keyword before the method. If it is there, it is a static method. So we have to call the method, non-static method with the reference variable. Otherwise, object. So it will go to the 10th line. Oh, sorry, first class. Then it will print method 1 started, right? This one, 12th line. Then after, it's printed 58 GB underscore like pipe symbol in customer details. After that, method 1 ends. Then after, it will go to the 11th line, right? If you remove this one, then that's it. Method will stops. After that, public dot data usage per day. Then it will go to the this month. Then it is go to the 19th line. It will print method 2 starts. Method 2 starts. Then after 2.5 GB. After that, method 2 ends. And let me write method 2 started, method 2 end. Then after, if you write main method ends, it will print as this. Main method end. Done. Not much, not big deal. Main method end. So I wrote here only 2 statements. Main method started, main method ended. But the logic is coming from first class. By simply using the import keyword package name dot class name. Clear? Now we will start the just the introduction about access modifiers. Let me write. Today topic will just talk about access modifiers. Then tomorrow explicitly we will see about access modifiers. Okay, access modifier. Access modifiers. Right. Suppose we have 4 type of access modifiers. One is public, private, then after protected, then after default. These are the access modifiers available in Java. Actually, default has no keyword. So we have, whenever we are talking about this one, we have the class level modifiers. We have the talk about class level modifiers. In that, we'll try to cover public access modifier. First thing, public. What is meant by public? So in the class, suppose public access modifier, If a class declared as a public, then we can access that class in anywhere anybody can access. That means any package or any project. Suppose, let me write before this one, let me write the class name as something sample. Otherwise, why sample? Let me write Krishna something. Good name. Let me write public. Now, whenever you append a public access modifier before the class, let me write that one. If class is declared as public, then we can access the class anywhere. Means accessible right, accessible anywhere means packages, not like anywhere, like packages, anywhere like same package, better same package or different package. Then if you append, otherwise add public access modifier to the class, we can access in any package. That is the scope. So public, so like it is applicable for, let me write this one, public can be applicable for, otherwise applied to first one classes, right, like this. We can write like this for classes. Second thing, methods, right, let me write public method name, open bracket, close bracket. Best example is main method. Public static main method, right? Main method appended public access modifier. Okay. Then after variables, fourth one constructor. Okay, public can applicable to the class, method, variables, and moreover constructor. Okay, constructor concept will come in at the time of object. We are like types like parameterized, non-parameterized, all this will come. Okay, now not allowed for what are those? Local variable. Local variables, nothing but inside the methods and blocks, right? We have the static blocks, right? Blocks. After that, interfaces. Method before the Java 9 version, all these things, and packages, right? Now something, these are the things, something except then it will give the compile time error if you try to write. Done. Now What is the, suppose we know syntax for the class. Let me write on the paint. That's yeah. Otherwise, let me take this thing. Let me take size as a little bigger. Font size. It's loading. So here I will write one class, then I will write whatever cover. Okay, let me take 14. 14 is fine. Here let me take a package something com dot module dot submodule dot, and after import package name something, I'll write package name as simple com dot pt dot something star. Let me write star. Then after, what is the syntax for here? Access modifier. See, it might run this one, right? Access modifier. Let me try to highlight this one. Okay. No, let me write. Access modifier. Now let me write this one in the class, then after followed by identifier, nothing but class name, right? Suppose let me write access modifier as public. Then after class name as class as a keyword. Then after class name as, let me take anything sample, open bracket, immediately close braces. We are talking about access modifiers. Okay, if you write access modifiers before the class, we can access this class anywhere, nothing but any package, and in the same package. In the same package, if you create the different class, then we can access, and we can access in the different package also. Best example, scanner, right? Suppose there is that scanner remover. Okay, let me write new create object for scanner class, scanner and scanner, just Control Shift O. It is asking the suggestions. See now, let me go to the, what's happening? Okay, open declaration. See now, scanner available in java.util package. This package I am using in my different package. Why? Because of the access modifier is obviously public, right? And final means we can't change this, all these things. This is standard. So because of public access modifier to this class, it's available in the one different package in java.util. I'm able to access. Same as the methods, right? Same as the methods also. Same, let me remove this thing. Same as the method, like next int, next line, right? Let me go to any method. Okay, see now, this is all private. We can't access this one, public. See now, scanner, okay. Scanner. readable again scanner. Let me find next line. Find 1 second. So private undefined. Next has next. Okay, see now next access modifier they added to this method. Next we can able to access in our class same as the method it is appended public, then we can able to access this method same as the next has next, same as the next, same as the again has next, and next line. See now has next line they appended to the methods public and to the classes 3/10 line, right? Let me just give seconds. Let me go to the 3/10 line. 292. Okay, 3/10 line. See now, for classes they added public. For methods they added public. Then only we can access in our package. Clear? So if you same as the variables, same as the constructor. So remaining things like methods, variables, constructor. Oh, sorry, not this one. Private, protected, default. We'll discuss tomorrow class. Okay. It's already 9:40. Okay. That's it for today. So we have discussed about discussed about package and their syntax and their how to import, how to use the code in one class to another class by using import keyword. Done? That's it about today. Tomorrow we'll continue about access modifiers. Okay, that's it for today.